Hey everybody, we were doing a little trash picking in the neighborhood and we came up with this Char-Broil Commercial Series grill. 3-burner grill with a side burner that looks like it's never been used. Oh, a bunch of ants. We'll have to take care of the ants, not a big deal. And inside, doesn't look too shabby. The igniter, listen carefully. Igniter still works. This one came off, so let's look at the burner. Burner doesn't look too terribly bad. No propane tank. Actually, we talked to the guy who was throwing out the trash, and he claims the thing caught on fire. Don't know why. It almost looks like maybe he didn't have this thing tight enough. So we're going to get a propane tank and see if it catches on fire. And then bonus, on the next street over, we have another Craftsman Platinum lawnmower. Self-propelled, looks like the wheels are pretty well worn down. It pulls over with a bag. Alrighty, so we started looking at the grill. First thing I noticed that this is a commercial, supposedly, grill. These are the pieces that send the flames. Okay, this is the one that gets lit, and then those tubes send the gas down and light these up. They're broken off, but this thing does have heavy duty cast iron grates that all the holes still look like they're in pretty good shape. They're a little rusty and crusty, but they don't look too bad. So let me get that back in there. So all the burners are in. The guy said that the thing caught on fire and burned his hand. Well, if you look right here, you can see how it's kind of black, where maybe he didn't have this thing tightened all the way. So we're going to go ahead and try it and see if it leaks. Before we light it, we're going to put it on, get a bottle of soapy water, and see if it leaks. So just in case, my son did bring the fire extinguisher. So we have put this on. Of course, I smell gas because the burners are all on. But we sprayed this down with soapy water to see if anything's leaking. And I don't see anything leaking. So I bet you he didn't have the nut tight. So we're going to go ahead and try to light this thing off. So let's turn this one on. Okay, there's that burner. See if we have any leaks. I don't see anything bubbling. I don't see anything bubbling. Do you see anything bubbling? Any leakage? Nope. I bet you he just didn't have that tight. So there's the one burner. And of course, we're not going to be able to get the other burners lit because it only has the igniter for the center. And it has to have those crossover tubes that connect to light the other one. So I'm not even going to turn the gas on for those. But we'll take and get a lighter and we'll light those. Let me go get a lighter and we'll be back. Alright, so I got my trusty lighter. Let's turn this burner on. That burner lit. Let's see about this one. And that burner lit. So the guy threw the grill away because he said it caught on fire down by the tank. I do believe it was because he did not have it. Oh, we got to try the side burner. There was a ant colony in here and we got rid of them. So let's turn that on and give it a little. And can you see the flame? The side burner work. So the guy threw a grill away because he didn't have the regulator tightened. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. We'll take and do an update on the mower later on. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can do that right there in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up on all my videos, and we'll talk to you all later. Thanks.